Hello everyone, my name is Maggie and welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please take a second to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you always know when I post a video. So today I want to talk about Zoella's newest beauty launch. Before I talk about the products that I bought, I kind of wanted to talk about why I love Zoella. I've been thinking about making this video for a while, but I'm just going to go into it. I was just out of school. It was like the summer after I graduated college. I didn't have a full-time job. I didn't have a place to live. I was kind of floating in space, like dog sitting, and like had like it was a very stressful time. And one of the ways I really dealt with that was kind of looking forward to fall and autumn and Christmas and watching Zoella's videos. I discovered her. She does Vlogmas every year. I started watching like all of her Vlogmas videos that were available at that point 2 years ago, and it just like comforted me so much. It was like, I know a lot of people think like say like Gilmore Girls as like a warm hug or like things like that. Like that's how it felt like to me. So that's kind of where I got hooked into Zoella, and I think that's why I really like her so much. But I've just been following her and I just love, I feel like we would connect a lot in person. I love her style. I love that, like, I just really like her and identify with her, even though we don't share a ton in common. Which I guess is why she's so popular. Anyway, she has done a couple different beauty ranges, I think like 4 or 5 at this point, and the beginning of this year maybe, they came to Ulta finally in the US before you had to buy them from the UK and get them shipped here because she's a UK based YouTuber. But things are showing up in Ulta now, and yesterday she launched a new line called Splash Botanics, and I went to Ulta and I bought a couple things and I thought I would just show them to you and do my little review of them. And yeah, so yeah, I don't know, I love talking about Zoella, so I'm here and I'm doing it, okay? I love Zoella. Hate on me if you want, but I love Zoella. So just a little like background. So I haven't gotten many of her products before. The only one I do have is her shower shake from her jelly and gelato line. And this smells, and most of her products up until this point have smelled very either very sweet. She did like a very sweet range. This is like a very sweet fruity smell. This smells like elderflower and pomegranate. So this is like a very bright fruity smell. Some of them are just super sweet, and I'm not a sweet smell person. I much prefer like more earthy, musky, almost like, you know, gender neutral kind of smells. But I do use this to shave my legs, and it is a nice product. So that's the only thing I have so far. But I went to Ulta yesterday after work and I just picked up a few things that I thought would be good. So I'm gonna run through the things I have, and then I'll talk about the things that I didn't buy that I did like test out in store. So the first thing I have is the Zoella So Soft Lip Oil. So I'm actually wearing this on my mouth, on my lips right now. So I really like the packaging. This isn't gonna focus, is it? I really like the packaging in this range. It's so cute and on trend, which is kind of amazing because they have been making this for like 2 years. But it's like a light pink, and then it has some green like palm leaf, whatever those leaves are called. And yeah, what I like about this is it has a doe foot applicator, but it's also kind of like a sponge. I don't know if you can see that. It's like a sponge, like a spongy doe foot applicator. It's like a hole in the middle. Like, it's very interesting, and I've never had any product, because most like as liquid lips and stuff, they don't really have they don't have like spongy sponges, but this is like a true like fuzzy sponge. So yeah, the packaging, I definitely thought it was gonna be glass, but it is just like a hard plastic. And then like this packaging is just like a sticker that's put on. The top is also just like a sticker that's been wrapped around. So, and this was $7, so it's not the most like luxurious packaging, but I do like that she tries to keep the prices of her products down, because I mean, a lot of her, I think most of her fans are like my age, like in my age range, but I know some of her fans are younger, so, you know, try not to break the bank with all that. But yeah, for $7, this lip oil is nice. It's like, the scent is cherries, which I was not expecting. The cherry does not really go with this packaging in my opinion, and I also just hate cherry. Like, I don't know in the UK what cherry like reminds people of, but here but just me on my childhood, it reminds me of that medicine that you would have to take like anytime you were getting sick as a child. It was, I think it started with like a D, and there was like grape and cherry, and like I can't eat anything grape and I don't like anything cherry because I just hated those medicines. So it does have like a super like classic like cherry smell, like a cherry cough drop or something. Like, so I don't really, but it's like, well, okay, well, what scent would go with this packaging? I don't know. But I do like that she came out with a new product. She's never done a lip oil before. I'm wearing it right now. It's not really pigmented or anything, but it is pretty moisturizing. And it smells pretty good. So the product information is: soften your lips with this sweet cherry scented lip oil enriched with a conditioning blend of sweet almond, jojoba, and argan oils to nourish and hydrate. So if you're allergic to any of those, don't buy this. But I think this is a nice product and I do like it. So the product information is: soften your lips with this sweet cherry scented lip oil enriched with a conditioning blend of sweet almond, jojoba, and argan oils to nourish and hydrate. So if you're allergic to any of those, don't buy this. But I think this is a nice product and I do like it. The second thing I got is the Zoella Botani'ceu body mist. And this pack, I really do like this packaging. This was like a little bit under 13 bucks, and I think which is totally worth it for a body mist. Look at this. Hold on, I have to tap my screen. Okay, look at this. Oh, it's so beautiful. Okay, so we have a glass bottle, which is nice and luxurious. The top of it is silver and has palm leaves on it, which I did not expect, and is such a cute little addition. The front just has this label. It says Zoella Botani'ceu, which is a cute little kind of pun. And then the back, and you can see it from the front too, is like this palm leaf, like a polka dot palm leaf, and like a little like flower. And I love the way it comes, like it's like not too much packaging, but it's like, I don't know, it's just really subtle and nice. And this is definitely a little bit more than Bath & Body Works, like a little bit more lush than Bath & Body Works, but I don't know, it's really nice. So how does it smell? Well, let's give it a spray. Okay, so it definitely doesn't smell sweet. It doesn't smell sweet like a lot of her other products have. It's a more like gender neutral, the way it's described is watery, and it really does smell watery, and I don't know how they did that, but there's like some floral notes, but it really just smells like fresh, clean, and like wet. like when someone steps out of a shower and you can kind of smell like all of their soaps mixed together and like the humidity of the shower, like all mixing together. It smells really good. I was disappointed by her other ranges just because I don't like sweet scents and I don't like smelling like sweet scents, and I'm actually really happy with this, and I think it matches the packaging. I think it just smells like, it smells really delicious, like I said, pretty gender neutral, and it was 13 bucks, and I bought a perfume that I don't like as much as this one from Target for 25 bucks for like the same amount of product. So I mean, I kind of like this more. Anyway, so that's that, and I can read what that says online. This is how it's described online: a pretty green, watery floral scent highlighted with freesia and delicate iris flowers. So it is nice, and I do like it. So the other stuff that is in this range I didn't buy. There's some bath products I didn't buy just because I don't take a lot of baths, especially not in the summer, but like our bathtub is just like not that great. I don't love to take baths in it, but there's like a bath milk powder that is like in a really cool like hexagon shape, which is cute, and there's this really awesome, I think I have video from it from the store, like bath soak or like bubble bath that's in a carton, like an orange juice carton, which is so cute, and it's called Drench Me, and I love it. There's also a moisturizing body wash, which is a lot like the shower shake, like the same formula, and they have a similar smell, which I don't think has to do with the scent, but I think has to do with the formulation that they make it with. There's just like a smell, not a bad smell, but like a smell that's not part of the actual product, like the scent of the product, that I kind of got when I tried this like Botanics one. There's also a really cute cosmetics bag that wasn't at the Ulta, and I was kind of sad because it was really cute. And then there's also, oh, the Quench Me Moisturizing Body Sorbet. This was actually cool because it was a gel formula. I didn't think it really had that much of a scent. I rubbed it on my body and I really didn't smell anything other than my own skin. But I liked that it was a gel formula, so it's not too heavy, because I know I use like gel on my face. So if you don't like really like heavy, like thick body like moisturizer, this would be a good one to try out, because it is like a gel. And it's a big old pot of it too. Like, it's a substantial amount of moisturizer. And you can really scoop it out and get like down to the bottom of it, which I like a lot better than squeezy tubes. So that was cool too. So yeah, that is everything that I smelled, tried, wore, sampled of Zoella's latest Splash Botanics collection. I hope you liked this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and leave me a comment below of if you like Zoella, if you've never heard of her before, if you tried her products. Let me know what you think about them and what your favorite range of hers is. You can follow me on my social media if you haven't already. Please remember to hit that subscribe button if you haven't done that either. And thank you so much for your support. I love you so, so, so much. Our family is growing and it makes my heart like 10,000 times bigger. So thank you so much again for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye. I'm out. What do you think of Zoella's new range? Do you like it? You seem to like it. Here, I'll put it right here for you.